Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with QuickBooks Online for project costing reports step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to the QuickBooks Online website. Click on the Sign Up or Try It Free button on the home page. Choose the subscription plan that best suits your business needs. Fill in your email address to create your account. Create a strong password that meets the security requirements. Provide your business name and select your business type from the drop-down menu. Enter your business address, including city, state, and zip code. Indicate whether you want to allow multiple users. Next, provide your business phone number for account verification. Click on the Create Account button to proceed. You will receive an email confirmation. Check your inbox and click on the verification link. Once verified, log back into your QuickBooks Online account. You will be prompted to set up your company details. Ensure all information is accurate, including your business structure. Select your industry type from the provided options to tailor your experience. After entering the necessary information, save your changes. Now, navigate to the Projects tab in the left-hand menu. Turn on the Projects feature to enable project costing reports. Create your first project by clicking on the New Project button. Fill in the project details, including name, customer, and description. Assign expenses and income directly to the project as you incur them. To run a project costing report, go to the Reports section. Search for Project Profitability Report. Customize the report date range and filters as needed. Review your project costing report for insights on job performance. Finally, make adjustments to your projects or budget based on the report findings. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.